Morning, everybody. I know in my builds, you see my fishing poles in the back. Yeah, I do some fishing. Unfortunately, I can't go fishing right now, but it's okay. Next year, that's gonna be in my video, so y'all look out for that. Right now, I'm on my $1,000 PC build, and it's a good one. So here we go. Starting it off is the Thermaltake Versa H18 micro ATX computer case. It says gaming. That everybody know cases don't game, so it's just to hold the motherboard in. So, but I love this case because of the massive airflow that this case brings. Along with that, there's the Apevia 600-watt power supply. Is the Uphere. Once again, I love these. I love these RGB fan kit by Uphere. They're great. You can't go wrong with them, and they're efficient. Pairing that with the Zotac Geforce RTX 2060 6GB GPU card. Along with that is the Seagate Barracuda 2TB hard drive. Along with that is the Western Digital 1TB M.2 drive. With that is the AMD Ryzen 2600 processor. Comes with the cooler, the race stealth cooler. I love this memory kit because it's in all my builds. Is the Corsair Vengance LPX 16 Gigabyte 8GB dual kit memory stick set. Along with that is the Gigabyte B450 AORUS M motherboard. You can't go wrong with this build. This build is total up to $945.91, a little under $1,000. So if you got that nice good pocket change in there, you want to go build your good decent PC with this build, please go to the description and click on the parts in the link below. Can't go wrong with it. If I had the money right now, this order be in already. Y'all have a good one. Peace.